Next we are going to see how to find rational numbers between the two rational numbers. Here two rational numbers given, 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. To find rational number, the first step, you should bring the denominator as same. You should bring the denominator as same. Here the first rational number denominator value 4 and the second one denominator 2. So both are different. So we should bring it as a same one. To bring it as the same one, we should find LCM. We should find LCM. We have to find what? LCM for the denominators. Here what and all we have? 4 and 2. LCM of 4 and 2 is. LCM of 4 and 2 is. Just to use this method, synthetic division method. Both numbers are divisible by 2. How many 2's are 4? 2 2's are 4. How many 2 is 2? 1 2 is 2. Hereafter can you simplify? No. Hereafter this 2 and 1 cannot divide by same number except 1. If you divide by 1, again you will get the same number only. So I have stopped here. So here to find LCM, just to multiply these three numbers. 2 into 2 into 1. What is the answer? 2 2's are 4, 4 1's are 4. 2 2's are 4, 4 1's are 4. So LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. Now I have to bring both the denominator as what? 4. What is the first one? 1 by 4. Here already the denominator value is what? 4 only. So there is no change. The same numerator you write here. Because to get 4 we should multiply with the 1 only. 4 1's are 4. 1 1 is 1. Next, take this rational number. 1 by 2. To get 4, you should multiply 2 with what number? 2. Very good. Because 2 2's are 4. Numerator also you should multiply by 2. 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. Now I have brought both the denominator as same. We have to find how many rational numbers? We have to find how many rational numbers between these two rational numbers? 3 rational numbers we have to find. See, here denominator is same. See the numerator. Here numerator is 1. Here numerator value 2. Is there any gap between 1 and 2? Is there any gap between 1 by 4 and 2 by 4? There is no gap. So how can you find 3 rational numbers? We can't find. So in that case what you have to do? We have to find equivalent fraction for both 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. Understood what I am saying? See, after bringing denominator as same, see the numerator value. If there is a gap means so no problem. But there is no gap means what you have to do? Again we have to find equivalent fractions. To find equivalent fraction, we should multiply both numerator and denominator by same number. Here 4, here 4. So the next case also we should bring denominator as same. First 1 by 4. I am just going to multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. Okay, if you multiply by 2, what will you get? 4 2's are 8. Here what will you get? 2. Here what will you get? 2. Okay, so for 1 by 4, I got 2 by 8. Next, take this one. Here also you should multiply by what? 2 only. Then only you will get denominator 8. Then only we can compare the numerators. Understood? Here 4 2's are 8. Here 2 2's are 4. But now 2 by 8, comma 4 by 8. In between 2 and 4, we can write only 3 by 8. But we need what? We need what? 3. So again you have to find equivalent fraction. Understood? I am going for the next step. Here in between 1 and 2 there is no gap. So I found equivalent fraction. After finding also here I have got only one rational number. In between 2 and 4 what will come? 3 alone will come. 3 by 8. But I need 3. So what I am going to do? I am just going to take this and this. This number I am going to multiply by 2. This number also I am just going to multiply by 2. You can take any number. I am just taking 2. You can take 3. You can take 4. Here I have taken 2. 8 2's are 16. Here 2 2's are 4. Next second one. 4 by 8. We should get what? 16 only. So here also we should multiply with the 2 only. 8 2's are 16. Here 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Here denominator same. Here numerator value 4. Here numerator value 8. Can we write 3 rational numbers between 4 and 8? Definitely we can write. 4 by 16. After 4 by 16 what will come? 5 by 16. Next 6 by 16. 7 by 16. Then what? 8 by 16. This 4 by 16 is equal to what? 1 by 4. This 4 by 16 is equal to what? 1 by 4. Because I got this from 2 by 8 and this 2 by 8 I got from 1 by 4 only. So this 4 by 16 is nothing but what? 1 by 4. This 8 by 16 is nothing but what? 1 by 2. 8 by 16 is nothing but what? 1 by 2. So in between these two rational numbers, we can write these 3 rational numbers. Therefore, required rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 are required rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 are between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 are what and all we can write? 5 by 16, comma 6 by 16, comma 7 by 16. 7 by 16. Why? Because 1 by 4 equal to 4 by 16. 1 by 2 is equal to 8 by 16. So, in between these two, we have these 3 rational numbers. So that I have written 3 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 are 5 by 16, comma 6 by 16, comma 7 by 16. I hope you understood how to find rational numbers between 2 rational numbers. First step, you have to bring the denominator as same. Then check the numerator. The numerator, after checking numerator, there is no gap in second, find equivalent fractions. In the second case also, if you did not get means, go for next one. For that also, in that third one also, if you did not get means, go for next one. So if you do like that, definitely you can find the required rational numbers between the given 2 rational numbers. Here one more example I have given. Between 1 by 5 and 1 by 3, we have to find 5 rational numbers. What is the first step? We should bring denominator as same. So that here multiplied 1 by 5 with 9. 5 9s are 45. 1 9 is 9. Here also we should get denominator as what? 45. So this 1 by 3 is multiplied with 15. 3 15s are 45. 1 15 is 15. 3 15s are 45. 1 15 is 15. Now, in both the denominator we have 45 is there. Same number is there. Now compare numerator. Here numerator value is 9. Here numerator value is 15. How many rational numbers we have to find? 5 rational numbers we have to find. Definitely we can write. Because after 9 what will come? 10. Next 11, 12, 13, 14. And this is the last one, 15 by 45. In between these two only we have to write 5 rational numbers, no. So we can include these 5 rational numbers between 9 by 45 and 15 by 45. I hope you understood how you have to find. I have brought denominator as same. Then I have checked the numerator. Here I can insert 5 rational numbers between 9 and 15. 10 by 45, 11 by 45, 12 by 45, 13 by 45, 14 by 45. So these are the required 5 rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 1 by 3. I hope you understood this. I will give you a worksheet with this concept. Thank you.